YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. I think this is coming from Village Power, or it'll be corrected in the title and the description. So this is a ice maker. I think it's a, yeah, definitely it's an ice maker. I don't see a bunch of letters and numbers. Yep, automatic ice maker. All right. Be right back. Alright guys, we finally got it unboxed. We got some goodies down here. Ooh baby, be coming up. Alright guys, here she is. Look at this. This thing looks sweet. It's a good size. Really nice. And then you open this thing up like that. And you look in here. This is where all the goodies are. Got some weight to it, not gonna lie. Got the hoses. But I think I could use a water bottle too, so oh, look at that. Nice. So I think that's gonna be my thing. I'm gonna do. Got the flap where it shoots out. Easy to clean. Oh yeah, this is perfect. If you guys got a party house type deal for your college dorms, stuff like that, you know, bachelor pad, really nice. Or a small bar, you got a basement bar type deal. But I think I got a spot for it in my kitchen. So I'm going to figure out the next few steps, what I'm going to do, and then come back. Definitely excited to give this a try. Like I said, where's the manual? Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I did find the manual. It was taped on the bottom, right next to the power cord. Here we go. I'm waiting for a couple days for my installer to come in, but I'll show you how to turn it on and everything. But right now, we just gotta look how it is, just like out of the box. But there is a water bottle method you can use if you don't want to hook it up. But I think I'm gonna hook it up because it fits perfect in the spot where I wanted it. So definitely. But do not take this outside. This is not meant for outside. This is for indoor, room temperature. Yeah, see right there? Connect the water tube to use bottled water for part B. So they got pretty good self-explanatory manual. Like I said, you get the hoses, you get the scooper, ice scooper, and the water hoses are there too. And now we're going to go in the kitchen and show you guys where it's at and turn it on. Alright guys, here we go. It fits perfect into that spot right there. So here is that power cord. Like I said, I'm going to test it out right now for video. And then next week or two, I'll show you guys a review on it once it's set up and running. So really nice though. Like I said, perfect for homes. Business, offices, college dorms, whatnot. But let's turn this thing on. Alright guys, here we go. We got a really nice LCD display. That is actually really nice. It's like a fancy dancy. See, it can show the ice right there. Fill 1 minute. Good timer. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Hold on 1 sec. Let me shut the lights. Here we go. That is really cool. Look how it fits perfect right there. Looks like it's something belonged there, and that was this machine. So if you guys want a good ice maker, check them out. Link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend, and see you guys soon.